Nurse, I've been a bit run down lately. I feel like I'm always getting sick. I just can't seem to stay healthy. I hear you. A lot of people are struggling with that right now. But don't worry, there are a ton of natural ways to supercharge your immune health. It's all about what you put into your body, and I'm not talking about medication. Really? Like what? Let me tell you about some amazing immune boosting ingredients. First up, ginger. You might already know it's great for digestion, but it also helps fight off inflammations and supports your immune health. It's like a little anti-inflammatory warrior. Oh, I love ginger tea. I didn't know it's helped with immunity too. Absolutely. Another great one is turmeric. It contains curcumin, which has been shown to enhance immune functions by reducing inflammations and supporting the body's natural defenses. A teaspoon in your smoothie or soup can do wonders. Sounds like it's time to add some new spices to my diet. Exactly. You can even throw in a pinch of cayenne pepper. It helps improve circulations and fights infections. Spicy but super effective. Maybe I'll have a whole spice rack in my smoothie now. Why not? And we can't forget vitamin C. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which fight off infections. You can get it from foods like oranges, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli, and even bell peppers. My favorite combo, a handful of strawberry and a splash of orange juice in the smoothie. I love strawberries, so that's the win. Now there's also zinc. This mineral is a game changer for immune support. Zinc can shorten the durations of a cold and help your bodies recover faster. Foods rich in zinc include pumpkin seeds, lentils, and cashews. You can sprinkle pumpkin seeds on salads or just snack on them. Who knew there's so many foods for a stronger immune system? Oh, I've got some more. For a natural immune boosting power combo, try eating foods rich in healthy fats like salmon and olive oil. Healthy fats help activate your immune defenses. Plus, don't forget about probiotics. They are found in things like yogurt and kimchi, and they keep your gut healthy, which is essential because about 70% of your immune system is in your gut. So I can eat all these yummy foods to help my immune system? Yep, but it's not just about what you eat. Sleep is huge too. Do you know that inadequate sleep can actually suppress your immune system? Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night and make sure to hydrate. Dehydrations can impair your immune responses as well. So basically, I need to eat good food, sleep well, and stay hydrated to stay healthy? Yes, and remember, stress management and regular exercise are keys. Chronic stress can decrease immune function, so do things that help you relax, whether it's yoga, meditations, or just going for a walk outside. Even taking 10 minutes to breathe deeply can make a difference. I think I can handle that. Thanks, nurse. You've got this. Just a few changes in your daily routine and your immune system will be on point in no time. If you ever need more advice, you know where to find me. That was so helpful. Make sure you follow Celine the nurse to learn more about your health.